Hey there, everybody. Lesson 2. So, order of operations. Typically, we take care of the grouping symbols first, then multiply, then do an addition. So that's the order of operations. When solving, we're going to work those in reverse. So we have to undo what we've done. So we got to unadd first, and then we're going to unmultiply first, and then we're going to undo the grouping symbol. So first here we unadd 6, so the inverse of adding 6 is subtracting 6. Inverse of multiplying by a 2 is dividing by a 2. And then in that case, we don't even have to take care of the grouping symbol there. We're going to add the 3 to solve for x, and then, oh goodness, what do we do now? No, it didn't disappear, little guy. Just equals 0. And then check our answer. There we go. It works. All right, so here we are going to have to combine like terms first. So doing so, 4m minus m is a 3m. Then we unadd the 10, so inverse of that is subtracting 10. Then dividing by 3 gives us a 7. Hey, round number, nice. And then check our answer. There we go. Works. Now here is an important lesson to pay attention to, okay? This is called clearing the fraction. So typically when you see fractions, you may get kind of a headache, all right? Well, the medicine for taking care of this headache, at least the first course of attack should be to clear the fraction. So what we mean is you find a common denominator of all the denominators in the expression, which in this case is 8, right? This is like 5 over 1. Oops. And what we're going to do is multiply every term by the common denominator. So here I distribute 8 on the left. So multiplying fractions, remember 8 over 1 times that 3/4 is going to be 24 over 4. Distribute the 8 to the 1x and distribute the 8 to the 5. Gives us that. Now, I simplify all my fractions, and if I've done this right, all fractions will simplify to whole numbers. And then combine like terms, solve, and check my answer. There we go. Now, the alternative method is to solve by, solve by getting a common denominator. So I'd have to multiply the top and bottom of this by 2. Over here, I got to multiply top and bottom by 8. So I have 8 for all my terms. Then I combine like terms, and I don't know, it's just kind of gross. We're going to clear the fraction as a general rule. And there we go.